If you ever see this strange warning sign on a road like this, be careful.
Wait, bro, is that a face blowing wind? What does this sign even mean?
But first, if you think this little kitten is adorable, don't forget to like and subscribe. And look at this dog whose leg was lost in an accident. He has to jump slowly to walk to find food. Every day he does this to find food when he is hungry. If you care about animals like this, leave a love in the comments, because even the smallest kindness will come back to you. Now look again. This sign warns drivers about dangerous crosswinds that can suddenly push vehicles off balance. And if the wind suddenly gets stronger while driving, hold your steering wheel tightly.